Ethanol emulsion test with Mr. Wilson. We are testing for fats and lipid, and it comes to you from CSEC Biology, the cover page. There we have the tubes labeled. Label tube A has alcohol or ethanol in it. Label tube W has water in it, and label tube O has oil or the food substance to be tested in it. There on screen we have the apparatus material to be used. Test tube rock, 10 ml measuring cylinder, ethanol or alcohol, food substance to be tested, distilled water, and of course paper tape that we have used to label the tubes. Here we are adding 7 ml of alcohol to 5 ml of cooking oil, and we're going to be shaking the mixture vigorously, but we're not going to be shaking it as long as it should. You will observe the difference in the color when we would have shaken it, but not as long as it should be shaken. Now this is what it looks like, not properly shaken. We're going to be adding this to the water. It's 5 ml of water, and we're going to make an observation here. Now if you observe here, the color that we are getting is not the color that is anticipated for a ethanol or alcohol oil mixture. So we'll do it again to show you what the positive test would have looked like. So we're going to be using the same volume for both ethanol or alcohol, whichever, and oil, pretty much the same. This is what it looks like when we would have done it a second time. So that is the mixture well shaken, and we're going to be adding that to 5 ml of water, and you will observe what happens when we add this mixture to water. So we're going to be adding it now to 5 ml of water. Please make your observation. Alright, so you need to record what will happen now. Look at what happens. Alright, so at the bottom there it's the water, and at the top we have the mixture of ethanol or alcohol and oil. You probably want to say why it's seated at the top and why the water is at the bottom. Please be reminded to like, share, and subscribe. And when you do, hit that notification bell